The manufacturing process of building blocks is composed of blending, mixing, and forming, which is introduced as follows. 1. Materials blending system. The system is computer controlled. It can automatically blend materials according to the selected raw materials, including cement, aggregates, and water. It can also manually blend materials according to different investment sites. The blended material is delivered into the mixing system by the elevating hopper of the mixer. 2. Mixing system. For forced mixing the materials of all kinds of concrete ware. Computer controls the mixing time, watering quantity, and unloading time. After being stirred several times by the mixing blades, the mixed material is delivered into the forming machine by a belt conveyor via the transition hopper. 3. Forming system. The concrete mix is automatically delivered into the small hopper on the top of the distribution box by PLC computer controlled. After the press head raised, the concrete mix is pushed up over the die grate by the distribution box and forced distributed evenly into the die grate. At the same time, motor vibrates with low frequency to enhance the forced distribution. After distribution, the distribution box moves back to the former place with the press head down. The vibration box starts working. The concrete mix vibrates in the die grate with high frequency, pressed by the press head, which ensures the strength of the building blocks. After the vibration, the die grate lifts up. The block separates from the grid with the press head keep pressing. Then the press head raises, and the bearing board loader begins to push up the bearing board with the blocks having on board to the loader. And another bearing board is set under the die grate, preparing for the next working cycle. The building blocks on loader is cleared with the bearing board, then loaded on the stacker. After being stacked as several sheets, the concrete blocks are transported to the curing ground. All the product lines can be controlled manually, semi-automatically, and automatically. The automatic process lines realize the mechanic, electric, and hydraulic integrated automation. XX0615 and XX0815 are the leading products of Xionghui Machine. Both works 15 seconds around. XX0615 produces 6 hollow blocks in a round, which makes the annual capacity amount to 3.45 million blocks. XX0815 produces 8 hollow blocks in a round, which makes the annual capacity amount to 4.61 million blocks. The main features of this series are as follows. 1. The stripper adopts lever type or gears and racks mechanism to ensure that the die grate raises with flexibility and stability, and not damage form blocks while stripping. The holster is made of high-tension steel and special weld procedure, which is firm and shock resistant. 2. The vibration box and table adopts the integrated construction designing, solving the technical problems of mangle and fuel leaking existed in the traditional link construction. The unique design of rubber spring circumference optimized distribution effectively improves the molding, as well as evenness and reliability of the vibration table. At the same time, reduces the vibration noise by about 10 decibel. 3. The optimized designing of vibrating shaft and rational distribution of vibration source ensures that the vibration is evenly distributed on the backplate. Thus, all the performance indexes of the building blocks are advanced to be coherent and stable. 4. The newly designed gearing of the hydraulic motor prevents the hydraulic motor from radial load and realizes the function of flexible driving. The construction is simple and easy to install and maintain. 5. Adopting the advanced electro-hydraulic integrated debugging technique. The main hydraulic pump uses the overflow speed control valve to achieve the reliable and shockless operation. Stepless speed regulation can be made on the vibration motor to change vibration frequency according to different raw material and operating condition. The press head is controlled by remote-controlled bidirectional lock and priority valve to ensure reliable press forming and fast stripping. Molding speed can be adjusted to various speed units according to different shape and height of the building block. The skip can move fast without shock. Medium speed to and from distributing can improve the material cutting. 6. Adopt the advanced electro-hydraulic control technology to achieve the even material distribution and best vibration forming. The whole process of production is simple and rapid with reliable operation, good quality, and high yield. Building blocks of Xionghui machine are always your ideal choice.